Hello guys, welcome to Creative Shaurya, and today's video will be about I'm going to teach you how to make a reverse video. And if this is your first time watching my channel and not to see more of my videos, start now by clicking the like button, share to your friends and subscribe and bell icon to get notification and also comment. So now let's get into it. So first we're going to be so to make a reverse video, we're going to be needing this app called KineMaster. If you don't have it, I'm going to give link in the description below. So once you click on the link, then it will be and if you install it also, so you will get a screen like this. So now let's start, and you should allow it everything. So I've allowed it everything already. So now let's click on here and select the aspect ratio of the project. So I'm in this one. So now we are going to be selecting a video. So I will select a video. So I'm going to select a video of this and click on it and click on reverse, and it will reverse. So right now our reverse is completed. So now let's see the video. Now you can do as before after. So this is the before video. So just that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and like and subscribe and bell icon to get notification and also comment. So until then, bye bye.